There's no question that AI is going to become more and more integrated into our daily lives, so now's a great time to start to get familiar with it so that you're not left behind. With that in mind, here are 3 simple ways that you could update your LinkedIn resume using AI tools. ChatGPT is a language model that allows you to have human-like conversations with a tool that understands a lot about how language and words go together. ChatGPT allows you to have a conversation with the tool so that you can interact with it in a very natural way. So it's really good to help with drafting updates or brainstorming or getting you unstuck with writing tasks like updating your LinkedIn. There's currently a free version available to the public at chat.openai.com. You can sign up for an account and start interacting with the model straight away. ChatGPT is not a search engine, and so the way that you interact with it and the questions that you ask it need to be a little bit different as well. Let's think about how we could have ChatGPT update the About Me section of LinkedIn. I don't know about you, but I actually really dislike writing about myself. I find it very disingenuous and hard to feel sincere when I'm writing about my own achievements. And so it's much less awkward if it feels like somebody else is writing that for me. So what you want to do is go to chat.openai.com, start a new session, and then use a prompt like this. Write a LinkedIn About Me section using my resume, and then paste in your resume. You can be more specific about tone and style as well. Make it sound fun, make it sound casual, make it sound professional. And you may want to specify the length too. I like mine to be about 150 words. One exercise that I often go through is having a look at the job postings for different roles that I'm interested in and looking for the common keywords between the job postings. You'll usually find these in the requirements or qualifications section. You can use the same words that are showing up in those job postings to be found by recruiters more easily. You can also prompt ChatGPT to include those keywords as well. Our whole prompt looks something like this. Write a professional summary using my work experience and including these keywords, keep it shorter than 150 words. And then I'm going to paste in my resume from LinkedIn and see what ChatGPT comes back with. I'm actually going to have ChatGPT regenerate this response a couple of times, then look at the different drafts and pick together the pieces that I like the best. The key here is that you're using ChatGPT to draft this for you, not as the final output. It's just to get you started and get you unstuck. For me, I found my About Me section was really old. It was the result of a couple of different drafts, different things smushed together and different ideas. And so rewriting it this way from a clean slate really improved it a lot. And now I know that those keywords are in there as well. That will help me show up in recruiter searches too. You can also use the same technique to update your headline. In the same conversation, ChatGPT understands the context of what you've already been talking about. So now you could just prompt it to say, write a LinkedIn headline less than 220 characters using the same experience, and see what it comes up with. LinkedIn headlines can be tricky. You want to make sure that you're reflecting your job title, the outcomes, and it's something that's memorable. So this is one that you may need to actually work a little bit more on the draft from ChatGPT with. The third place that we're going to update our resume using AI doesn't involve ChatGPT at all, but instead another AI service called PFP Maker. PFP Maker is an image-based AI model, and it uses several images that you upload of yourself to create a really professional-looking headshot or profile picture image. You can visit pfpmaker.com, upload images of yourself, and then it will generate for you several different options across several different styles for you to take a look at. You can pick the one that you like the best. Once you have a profile picture that you're happy with, update it here on your LinkedIn and think about the other places that you would like a professional branded headshot to appear as well. Maybe on your professional Twitter, GitHub, or any other platforms and tools that you show up as your professional self. Having the same profile picture across all of them will improve your brand to potential employers as well. As a bonus, this is one that I think you should do by hand, but since we're in here updating your LinkedIn anyway, take a look at the achievements by role and make sure that these are really impact and outcome driven. For example, you want to make sure that you're phrasing it in a way that shows what the impact of something that you did was, rather than just the fact that you did it. Where I said created marketing partnerships to drive awareness and usage of Google Play in Europe, maybe I could add a statistic that shows what the impact of those marketing partnerships was on those Google Play carriers in Europe. Do this for all of the bullets across your resume and you'll have something that makes it really clear the impact that you could have on a potential employer. Thanks very much for watching. I know your LinkedIn is going to be in great shape now. I'll link all of the tools that I mentioned in the description below. Like and share for more.